Hi you guys, welcome back to another video of mine. I am so glad you clicked on this video. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel. So today I am going to be testing this palette out. So this palette was sent to me in PR by W7 and I just haven't really gone into it too much. I've gone into it once or twice and I want to create something blue because I've got a blue summery top on today. So I thought, why not create something that's nice and bright and blue? So this palette is called the Total Eclipse palette and the packaging is just like nice, real nice. So this palette has got 18 shades in and you can see straight away how stunning this blue is. It's just gorgeous. So I'm going to be dipping into these blue colours and we're going to create something really nice, hopefully. So I'm going to do some swatches for you guys just so you can see how the colours look. So I'm going to do some of the mattes first of all so you guys can see how they come out. Okay, so this is just some of the shades there, but you can see how nice they look. They are pretty pigmented for, I mean, how affordable this palette is crazy. And they are really, really pigmented. I really love that blue. I cannot wait to go into that. I'm gonna next just swatch some of the shimmers for you guys as well, which I'm so excited for. So some of these shimmers are more pressed glitters, but they swatch really, really nice. So they are so buttery. So here are the shimmers. How gorgeous are they? I love this kind of bronzy color. It's so pretty. So again, perform really, really nice, look lovely, feel so buttery in the palette as well. So for this blue look, I'm going to go in with the colour Zodiac, which is this really lovely blue here. Okay, so with that blue colour, I'm going to go right in the... Oh, so nice. I'm going to go right in the crease. And just start blending that out. That is such a nice colour, such a nice blue colour. There's also not a lot of fallout with this palette either, which is great. This palette is so nice, so affordable, so pigmented. I mean, wow. Deepen the crease up. So I haven't really got a matte shade that's more of a deep blue, so I'm probably going to have to do something with this colour here, which maybe not. I think I'm going to have to go in with this colour here, which is like the darkest colour in the palette, and I am just going to pop that just on the outer corner and just sort of pat it on just to like deepen it up a little bit. Oh yeah, so blooming nice, love this. Okay, now for shimmer. I don't know if I want to go for this dark blue or for this light blue, so I feel like I need both. So I think I'm going to put the dark blue. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. So I'm going to put this dark blue just here. And then I'm going to put this lighter blue in the inner corner. Oh my gosh. Wow. These shimmers... Oh, these shimmers are more like foiled. They've got such a foiled look and they look absolutely incredible. I'm blown away by this palette. This is probably one of my favourites now from W7. Oh my god. wow. Do I want to put a colour underneath my eyes or do I not? I think when it's blue, I think it's best to keep away. So yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to put some mascara just over the top of what I've already got on. I'm using the Oh So Sensitive W7 as well, which is another product they sent in the same PR package. So I'm just going to... Overall, you guys, I'm blown away by this palette. The shimmers are amazing. I have got another palette from them called Socialite, and out of both of them, I prefer this. The shimmers are majorly foiled and pigmented. They are incredible. The mattes blend so nice. I absolutely love this palette. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. 100% recommend. So I'm going to link the palette down below from W7. I think you can even pick these palettes up in B&M and Home Bargains and places like that. They are so damn affordable. So if you want to get yourself a glammy, shimmery, you know, really pigmented palette, 100% recommend this. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below what you think of this lovely summery blue look. I know it's quite colourful for me, but I'm really trying to broaden out my colours in makeup and things because I'm always doing natural nudes and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you are new. It would mean a lot to me. Also follow my Instagram because I do makeup videos over there and I do lots of PR unboxings and different kind of videos daily. So hope you guys enjoyed it once again, and I'll see you in another video. Bye guys.